Money Wisdom is a comprehensive guide to personal finance, written by renowned financial advisor John Smith. The book covers a wide range of topics, from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. Smith begins by emphasizing the importance of financial literacy and understanding basic concepts such as compound interest and risk management. He then delves into practical strategies for managing money effectively, including creating a budget, reducing debt, and building an emergency fund. The book also provides insights into various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Smith explains the pros and cons of each investment type and offers guidance on building a diversified portfolio tailored to individual financial goals and risk tolerance. In addition to investment advice, Money Wisdom addresses the importance of long-term financial planning, such as saving for retirement and setting up a will or trust. Smith offers practical tips for maximizing retirement savings through employer-sponsored plans like 401ks and individual retirement accounts (IRAs). Throughout the book, Smith emphasizes the importance of disciplined saving and investing habits, as well as the need to adapt to changing financial circumstances. He encourages readers to take control of their financial futures by educating themselves and making informed decisions. Overall, Money Wisdom serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and achieve their long-term financial goals. With practical advice and actionable tips, it empowers readers to take charge of their finances and build a secure financial future.